Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am very excited because we're doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. This is, of course, for the month of July, unless I'm going crazy. So this one is a little one. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a little short stack. So I'm anxious to see what is in here. Really excited. As you know, as usual, I don't peek at them, so I have no idea what's going on in there or what to expect. So really excited to just rip the box open and talk about it and show you guys everything. So before I do, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please go hit that button. It just really means the world to me, and you guys get 3 videos a week. So make sure that you're subscribed. But if you want to see my July Boxycharm unboxing, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, so like I said, I don't know what's in here. It's a surprise. Every month I like to keep it a surprise about what I'm getting. I don't like to peek. Like I said, this is a thinner one, but that doesn't necessarily mean something bad. So I'm gonna open this up. I already cut the seal open so that I wouldn't make a mess over here, but I have not looked inside. So when I go open it, oh, this one is black inside. Okay, I feel like Boxycharm has been changing up their boxes like back and forth lately, or maybe it just depends on what box you get. I'm not sure. But here it says, "Hello Charmer," and then their hashtag is up here. It says they're on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. So for this box, I have the card right here. This one's very summery. It says fantasy, oh my God. So, as usual, I'm just gonna go in order of what it says on the box, and then we'll go from there. So, the first thing that we have in here is from Alamar Cosmetics. It's the Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. It says, add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio, which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look. Designed with skin tone and skincare in mind, they are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish. Vegan and cruelty-free. Amazing. And this goes for $25. So that sounds really, really amazing. I have heard of Alamar Cosmetics because they've put Alamar Cosmetics in some of my past Boxycharm boxes. So I'm gonna try to find this in here. Here we go. Oh, this is really cute. Okay. So it doesn't come with like an outer box. It's just in this thing, and then it's sealed with a little plastic. So I'm just gonna take that off. And then on the top here, it just says Hydrating Complexion Trio, Alamar, and then on the back, it's really cute. It just shows like the color. The shades are I'm Woke, Soltera, and Always Summer. Really, really cute names. And then, oh, there's like directions back here. So it says use the brightening shade to illuminate under the eyes, the bronzer shade to add warmth on the perimeter of the face, and the deeper shade to create depth around the cheekbones, forehead, and jaw. Oh, I like this. Okay. Here is what it looks like inside. You can definitely tell that this powder is very bright. So again, I'm Woke, Soltera, and Always Summer. I'm gonna touch them. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. Okay. These are very, very buttery, very soft. That is bright. I'm tan right now, so I don't know if that shade is gonna work for me, but we'll see. Here are the swatches. They swatched really, really nicely. I do want to say that right off the bat. Like you can see they're all very pigmented. This bronzer shade's pretty similar to what I'm working with as far as my tan goes right now. This is crazy bright. I kind of just want to tap into them and see what they do. So let's just do a quick little tap. I can see a little bit of a difference. This one definitely does look a little bit brighter than this. I like it. And so far it's not making me look creasy or crepey under my eyes, which tends to happen. So I like this so far. And I guess while we're at it, we could just rebronze a little bit. So I'm gonna go into Soltera. I don't want to go too hard on the bronze and contour, but I think I want to take this darker shade and just go under my jawline a little bit. I like this. Okay, so far I am very, very happy with this. I'm definitely going to be reaching for this more because so far I really like what it did for me. It feels really good. I feel like so far it looks really good. So I'm gonna have to keep playing around with that and see what it keeps doing for me. So the next product we have in here is from the Lifestyle Co. It's the Detox Hair Serum. Oh, I haven't gotten a hair product before. That's exciting. Expensive. Okay. It says, nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond oils. This plant-based formula stimulates and smooths dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. And this is $79. That's expensive. And I'm excited about it because this is the first time that I'm hearing about that brand. It's completely new to me, so really excited to try out a new hair product. Let me see where it's at. Oh my God, it literally looks like an actual serum, at least from the box. Let me just take it out of here. Yeah, it literally, I'm gonna get this. Okay. I got another product in one of my past Boxycharm boxes. It's from Pharmacy. It's like a facial oil. It looks almost exactly like this packaging wise, and I need to keep them very far away from each other so that I don't accidentally use this on my face and the other one in my hair. So, wow. But this is beautiful. Like, this is a glass bottle. You could tell that the packaging of it at least is very, very high end. I really like this. And then let me just see. Yeah, so it's legit a serum for your hair. No smell that I can tell right now. Let me just do a little drop on my arm to see how it feels. It's really runny and it's oily. So it definitely has like an oily texture to it, but maybe that's a good thing. So I'm really excited to test this out. I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow and then I think I'm gonna try it and see what it does for me. Praying for the best. The next product that we have on our list is from MUDMASKY. It's the Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. It says, the delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, this serum is ideal for all skin types. And this goes for $63, so also up there in price. I don't know, this packaging is kind of funny looking to me. Like, if I just saw it like this, I wouldn't think like, yup, that's definitely expensive. Like, this packaging, just looking at it like this, doesn't look like it would be, but it's probably a good product if it costs that much. Let me just see. Yeah, so on here it says, reduces dark circles, moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, firming, fragrance-free, pH balanced, and it's 1 fluid ounce. So all very good things, or at least they sound good. And then again, I just want to take a little bit and dot it onto the back of my arm. I'm not gonna put it under my eyes, of course, because I have makeup on, but here it is. It's like this like white color. Let me see how it feels. It feels really hydrating, actually. Like, it feels really lightweight and watery, but it feels hydrating. So I think I am going to like this, or at least I hope I am. I'm still gonna be using my Belief Under Eye Moisturizer like crazy, but I think I might just start to use this daily underneath that and see kind of how they work together and just how this works. So I'm definitely going to be testing this out starting tonight. I'm actually really excited about this one. Up next on our list is from ALLEYOOP. It's the Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. New brand to me, I've never heard of it. It says, for when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you, Pen Pal is the convenience of 4 essential products in one easy to use, easy to stash click pen. Just click down on a color and apply for a fresh, natural look wherever you are. It's like these people were speaking my language. Like, that is literally my life. Like, always, like, I'm in a hurry, I gotta go. And this one, it goes for $25, so actually pretty affordable too. So here it is in the packaging. Oh my God, this is like a legit pen. Wait a minute. Oh my god, I used to use these kinds of pens all the time. This is so cool. I'm so confused. So for black, black is the eyeliner, highlighter is champagne, lip pencil is mauve, and brow pencil is coffee brown. This is so interesting. It also says it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and lead-free, so sounds pretty great. And then again, just basically click down on the shade you want to use, twist the center of the pen to dispense more of that shade. This is so cool. Oh my god. I have a feeling this is gonna go well. All right, let me see. I'm gonna start with the black. Let me dispense product. How does this? Oh my gosh, so this is like a pencil. Wow. So this is the black, like the liner pencil. This one is highlighter. So far I'm not really a fan of the highlighter. It's a little bit scratchy. But the eyeliner I did like. This seems scratchy, and if I already have makeup on my face, I don't necessarily think I'd want to use this over it because I think I would just make a line. Maybe I would use it as like a under eye kind of highlighter, but definitely not on my cheeks unless I had like absolutely no other makeup on. I feel like it did kind of give me a little highlight under there, but not really too much. And I feel like it looks like there's like a little line right there. I have to keep working with it. The next thing in here is the lip pencil. I hope this one's good. This is supposed to be a mauve, and I love mauve lip shades. Wow, wow, this is like purple purple. Like a plummy purple. This one's not scratchy though. I do like this. Let me see. I don't know. I feel like it's pretty similar to what I have on my lips right now, which is Charlotte Tilbury, but can't complain. And then the last one is the brow color. All right, this one feels a little bit scratchy too, but it did come off pretty easily. So I feel like I could work with that one. So I guess the only shade that I'm like really iffy about is that highlighter shade. I do see potential in the rest of them, but I have to keep playing around with this to actually give you guys an opinion. I do think the idea of this though is really unique and really cool, and I'm definitely going to be trying this out more and more, so I'm really excited about this one. And then the last thing that we have is from Bellapierre Cosmetics. It's the liquid eyeliner. A jet black liquid eyeliner with a flexible tapered tip, perfect for thin strokes or bold lines. Long-lasting formula, dries quickly for a beautiful matte finish, and this goes for $20. This is also a new brand to me. I've never heard of it. I feel like pretty much all of these, except for Alamar, are new brands to me. So very interesting, very cool too. I love that they're all new. This reminds me of like, I don't know if it's the right brand that I'm thinking of, but it might be like the L'Oreal, like the liquid liners. I feel like when I was younger, I always used to buy a drugstore liner that looked exactly like this. So it's bringing me back, but unscrewing the cap here. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, I actually really like this. I did like a thick stroke and then I made it thinner and it was really easy. And it's very pigmented. Like this is super black. So I think I'm gonna have a very fun time playing around with this. I feel like I've been wanting to get like a liquid liner in this style, but I just haven't because I've just been so used to using the ones I already have. So I'm actually really excited to test this out. I think this is gonna be good. I think all of these products are really exciting. I feel like this box in general was a really good one. Yes, they are all new brands to me, but I feel like I got like a really good mix of everything. Like I got skincare, I got hair, I got makeup, like I got everything in this box, and everything seems like it would be really exciting to keep playing around with and testing out. So A+, honestly, for this box. I'm super excited. So that is all I have, I think, for today's video. I hope you guys liked this one. I know this was just a quick little first impression of what I got in the box and everything, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. So comment, let me know which one of these products looked the most interesting to you. Let me know, again, as I always say, if you have Boxycharm subscription, let me know if your box was the same as mine or if it was different. Tell me what you got in yours, because I always love to hear what you guys got too. So comment, say hello, give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next one.